This is a review of the blue light blocking glasses for men that I'm going to be doing a review about. And in this review, we're going to show you guys all the important features about these particular sunglasses. Now, one of the first important few things I do want to mention about these sunglasses is that they have a blue light blocking glass protection. So what that does is that if you're using your cell phone or you're playing video games, it has an anti-eye strain protection, and that'll protect your eyes from getting strained. As you guys know, when you use any computer, cell phones, or anything like that, and you don't have blue light, then it pretty much you could have eye strain, and that could pretty much damage your eyes if you know if you don't have the blue lights. And this particular sunglasses offers the blue light. You can see here it has the orange. These are orange shade one, but if I'm moving around, you can see very carefully that it has a blue light which will protect your eyes if you're doing gaming or pretty much anything like that, like using your phone, your computer, your laptop, anything like that. That's a computerized, something like that's a computer. But yeah, overall, the quality is super amazing. I love how it looks, how it feels, super lightweight. Right by the edges, you can see here, it has like that carbon fiber look as well too on the sides and the edges. It looks absolutely phenomenal and beautiful. And right here, the orange color and then the blue lights, it looks absolutely amazing, the combination color, and it looks absolutely super lightweight, high quality sunglasses. It is probably by far one of my most favorite sunglasses. And right here, it comes with this bag as well too. So one of the things I love about these particular sunglasses is that it comes with the bag. So whenever you're done using these sunglasses, you can put it in this bag, which it comes with the elastic right over here. And then right here, last but not least, it comes with the pretty much the cleaner, the microfiber towel that you use to clean the lenses, and it comes with that too. And yeah, I would definitely recommend these sunglasses if you're looking for some sunglasses that looks nice and it looks pretty amazing as well too, and something that gives a personality. Then these sunglasses right here are probably one of the best ones. And if you're looking for something that has a blue light as well too to protect from eye strain, then this by far is probably one of the best sunglasses to get, and I would definitely recommend this product.